he shines it. And for it, I think the diamond is the hardest substance. What we require is the skill, what we require is the talent and the hard effort to polish it. And that is the only work that has been done by all the coaches, especially Mr. Colaco, who has been created, who has been polished such a diamond. And I think as I have been also to the Vedanta Academy last 2 years back, the spirit and the training which is very important, it should be unlimited. We have to conquer the minds, but it should not be a short time, but we have to always thought of a long time. Most of the infrastructure that has been created in the state of Goa has been utilized or used by our senior citizens or people like you, because know the immense importance and the role of the sport in the development of the career. I'm not taking this, I'm not talking, I'm just talking on the opportunity because Gulaso, our ex-chief minister, Marcus, which are very prominent awards they have given. But I always say that opportunity knocks only once in a lifetime at your door. If you are going to grab that moment, definitely it is possible to climb the ladder of success. And they have grabbed that moment last 14 years back, last 25 years back, and that's why this is the day has come in their own life. This is the day they have come to publicize in the public life that they have achieved the goal which has been set before all the time, before their eyes.
Now, last college several sports खेळा. I have played football, I have played cricket, I have played hockey, I have represented college, I have represented schools. But I picked up badminton initial stage and then picked up swimming. But I got an opportunity to organize first nationals, badminton national, where Prakash Konkani came into limelight, was held in Goa. And I must say that Mr. Anil Madhavkar, whose father was the first Goa Badminton Association president in Goa, founder president, he inducted me in Goa Badminton Association and the joint secretary of Goa Badminton Association is somewhere in 1960s, where I had passed out and I was in college. I am thankful to Anil Madhavkar, who was again associated with me along with his daughter in swimming association also. We have swimming players like Austin Vinicius, Michael Visa, with whom those days I played badminton. I am happy to see them here today. But badminton, swimming, those several sports are someone I try to contribute in every sports wherever possible, thinking that sports should come out in the state of Goa. Whenever we got in fact when I became the swimming president of Swimming Federation, I used my personal contact with Glenn Sardana. And I convinced Glenn that he should associate with Swimming Association. And I am happy that Glenn formed Glenmark Aquatic Foundation based on my discussion with him, and he contributed a lot to Goa Swimming Association and Swimming Federation of India. Also, he became our championship, used to be known that time as Glenmark Aquatic Championship. So that is how I try to contribute. I am thankful to this association doing a good job. असोसिएशन अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे आहे की नॉर्मली स्पोर्ट्समॅन मागे घाटेपणात लोक विसरतात, समाज विसरतात, सोसायटी फॉरगेट्स. आमचे दोघेपण आम्ही खूप जणांना पहिल्या गोल मार्गी सर्व कसे त्यांना प्रेज करत आले होते. बघतीच्या सगळे असे फुटबॉल प्लेयर पण जातेपणा आता त्यांची परिस्थिती बिकट असते. गव्हर्नमेंट टेन्शन देतात, दुसरी गव्हर्नमेंटचे टेन्शन चालू असतात. पण एक असोसिएशन स्वतःचे जे थिंग्स ऑफ दॅट जे ट्रायज टू क्लॅच देअर हार्ट ज्यांना पावता आपल्या अशा असोसिएशन असं गरजेचे ते आवडताना मी स्टार्ट केलंय म्हणून आम्हाला कोणीच परमिट दिला कारण देवदारे गुड जॉब.
I retired 1985 and straight away my good friend Armando Colaco and Agnes Mascareñas called me to coach Southside Football Club. Well, that's it. I thank them from the bottom of my heart because it's there where they gave me the platform to express myself in coaching. I done a self-realization and understood whether I could go for coaching or not through my Demco senior players Mr. Sukuro Coutinho, Mr. Joseph Machado, Mr. Nicholas Pereira, Mr. Felix Barreto, Mr. Elican Rosario, and so on. They are the ones who taught me how to kick the ball. And I followed the philosophy of kicking the ball. And today, thanks to the good luck He has blessed me. After 40 years, 1985 I started, and till 2025 I'm still going strong with Sporting Club Goa. Thank you so much. But this Dronacharya award doesn't belong to me alone. There were so many club owners. It was Salsette Football Club, Albert Agnel, it was Churchill Almond, Churchill Brothers, it was Mr. Joe Vass in Cesar, it was Mr. Srinivas Dempo in Dempo, it was Lemons in FC Birthdays, it was Nituda in East Bengal, and Nati was in Sporting Club to Goa. Well, I appreciate all the efforts they gave me to carry on the good work, but then it's the good supporting staff, the players who always there by my side. I can't forget Peter Wallace was there with the Goa team, can't forget Maurice Afonso, can't forget Climax Lawrence now, and there were so many of them. I also have to thank from the bottom of my heart the presidents, all the presidents of the TFA, the past presidents and the present presidents, the secretaries, everyone who tried hard. But the most important thing which I am really grateful, on the last day of my application for the Dronacharya award, it was not going through. I was desperate. And then I said, told my person who was helping me, Mr. Tulsidas Vareka from the sports department, that I want to start it here and I can't go farther because for the last 1 week I'm trying and it's not going through. But then he said, Mr. Tulsidas Vareka from the sports department, don't worry sir, I'm here with you. Let's try, don't give up. It was around 5:30 or so, I called Marcus Berbinau and I told him that this is what's been happening. He was so good enough to call his assistant secretary at the Daily Ministry and told him about it, and there was soon after that there was a person from the sports ministry calling me and telling me, please send your application now, we are ready to accept it. So Marcus, thank you so much. Good luck for you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.